How to write a file or data to an S3 object using boto3. In boto2, you can write to an S3 object using these methods. Key.set_contents_from_string. Key.set_contents_from_file. Key.set_contents_from_file name. Key.set_contents_from_stream. Is there a boto3 equivalent? What is the boto3 method for saving data to an object stored on S3?
In boto3, the key.set_contents_from_ methods were replaced by object.put, client.put_object. For example, alternatively, the binary data can come from reading a file, as described in the official docs comparing boto2 and boto3. Storing data from a file, stream, or string is easy.
Boto3 also has a method for uploading a file directly. This URL.
Here's a nice trick to read JSON from S3. Now you can use json.load_s3 and json.dump_s3 with the same API as load and dump.
You no longer have to convert the contents to binary before writing to the file in S3. The following example creates a new text file, called newfile.txt, in an S3 bucket with string contents.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.